Hi everyone, good day! In this video, I'll be teaching you how to fix crash during map loading in CS2. Okay, first things first, close Counter-Strike 2 and ensure your graphics card driver is up to date. If you have an NVIDIA graphics card, use the GeForce Experience in application. AMD users can use the AMD Radeon app. In the app, just navigate to the driver section and download the latest driver and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the update. Regularly check for and update your graphics card driver every few months. After ensuring the update on your graphics driver, proceed to update your Windows operating system. Open then the Windows settings and go to the Windows Update section. Click on Check for updates to download any available updates. Restart then your PC, and once the download is complete, open your Steam client and head to your game library. Right-click on Counter-Strike 2 or Counter-Strike Global Offensive to access the game properties. In the Local Files tab, select Verify Integrity of Game Files. This will check and re-download or replace any corrupted or missing game files. Visit then the official CS2 Steam page to verify if your PC meets the minimum system requirements for the game. Ensure that your hardware specification match these requirements. Ensure also sufficient storage space. And lastly, make sure that you have enough storage space available on the drive where CS2 is installed. Loading into a new map can sometimes require large file downloads, and it sometimes leads to crashes if there isn't enough storage space. And as simple as it is, hopefully this solves your problem. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make so we can help you. And that's it. You can now fix crash during map loading in CS2. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling.